So sir always records the videos and puts them, uploads them on the portal, so you can even see there what he did. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The meanwhile, just look at this example number 1. Just read it out. See what is there. Find the area of a triangle. Page number 201. Open it quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
The first example, look at it. Yes, Varia? You saw it?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Send me the answer in the chat box. Don't disclose your answer. Achira, do you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
So not difficult at all. Go for the exercise. Start solving question number 1.
Okay, ma'am.
And here, start using your brains, children. Maths is very easy. You need to start using your brains. First question अभी तक भी नहीं solve किया है किसी ने, सिर्फ वारिया ने solve करके भेजा है मेरे पास में. What happened? Others are not able to solve it? Yatharth, not able to solve it? Yes. Siddharth, you solved it? Send me your answer in the chat box. Varia, your hand is still up. Varia's answer is correct. And Siddharth's answer is also correct. Good. Let me get the answers from everyone now. Yes. Varia, go for the second question. Siddharth, go for the second question. Achira, are you able to solve it? Will you be able to solve it?
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing it.
Okay. Naisha, hurry up.
Ma'am, I'm not getting the answer.
You're not getting the answer? Okay, give me.
No.
I'll be solving step by step as per you. So yes. Okay. So now tell me, Naisha, what have you been doing in the question?
Ma'am, I found out the semi-perimeter, but I didn't get how to find side A, side B, and side C.
So what is the semi-perimeter according to you?
Ma'am, it's 90 because it is A plus B plus C, which is perimeter of triangle, which is 180 upon 2. So which is 90.
Semi-perimeter is 90.
Yes, ma'am.
How did you get that? So semi-perimeter is basically perimeter divided by 2, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So the perimeter is 180. Hence the semi-perimeter is 90. But
90.
according to the formula, it is 3a by 2. चलो ठीक है, तुम्हारे तरीके से करते. तुमने semi-perimeter बोला 90 है. अब sides का क्या करेंगे?
Ma'am, I don't know how to find that.
So we need to look into the formula. Okay, we need to look into the formula. Arpita, your answer is wrong. Not correct at all. I don't know what you've done. Yatharth, your answer is correct. Ananya, your answer is not correct. Ananya's answer is not correct. Arpita's answer is way wrong. Very, very wrong answer. Sharan's answer is also very wrong. Very wrong answer. So you all don't know how to solve it, seems. Let's look at how to solve this kind of question. So what does the question say? Now, Varia, I want you to read out this question, please. Sorry, one second. Naisha, Varia, go on for the second one. Naisha, read out this question.
A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with side A.
Now stop.
Find the
Stop. It says equilateral triangle with side A. What does it mean? What does it mean? Does it mean that all the three sides will be equal? If it's an equilateral triangle, all the three sides will be equal. So all the three sides will be A. Arpita, तुम्हारा आंसर आया कैसे मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Clearly shows me that you have not studied this chapter properly. I don't know what you have done. How can you get that answer at all? कहीं पर मिलता जुलता भी नहीं है. बाकी बच्चों को एटलीस्ट नियर बाय तो दिख रहा है मुझे आंसर. तुम्हारा तो नियर बाय भी नहीं है. I don't know what you have done. Sharan, no, not at all. Okay, so yes, this is an equilateral triangle with side A. It says find the area of the signal board using Heron's formula, and the perimeter is 180 centimeter. So first thing, we are not looking at 180 centimeter at all right now. What we are looking at is the formula of the semi-perimeter. Okay. So area of the triangle, Heron's formula, it is going to be S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and the whole thing square rooted, right?
Yes.
Now, because here the sides A, B, and C are all A only, right? So first thing we have to understand is what is the perimeter? Because here A is equal to B is equal to C, and everything is equal to A. So here the semi-perimeter will be A plus A by 2, which is 3A by 2 or 3 by 2A. According to the formula, yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now, what will be the what will be the formula of the triangle now? Let's see, square rooted 3 by 2A or 3 by 2A minus A. 3 by 2A minus A again, and 3 by 2A minus A again. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is 3 by 2A minus A? Let's see. This is 3 over 2A. How do you solve this? 3 by 2A minus A. What will be the answer? So it'll be, if we take the common LCM 2, it'll be 3A minus 2A.
Yes, ma'am.
You know how to do this, right? Common LCM 2 लेकर के करना आता है. अर्पिता आता है या नहीं? Fractions को solve करना.
मैम नहीं.
ये 3 by 2A minus A है. आपने LCM 2 लिया. तो 3A तो as it is आ गया ना? This is
Yes, ma'am.
और ये वाला 2 से मल्टीप्लाई होएगा ना?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
3 by 2. Again, this is 3A minus 2A by 2. Again, this is 3A minus 2A by 2. Sharan, are you getting it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
far? Yes, okay. So I'm going to erase from here. Now, no, first I'll just simplify it. This becomes 3 by 2A into A by 2 cubed. Agreed?
Yes, ma'am.
So remember this, and I'm going to erase everything else and go ahead further. So what will this thing become when we simplify it further?
Ma'am,
Multiply 3 by 2 A by 8.
3A upon 8.
Square root of 3A raised to the power of 4 upon 4, isn't it? 2 into 2 is 4. A into A cubed raised to the power of 4. This is what you will get, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This is 2 to the power of 3 into 2. So it will become 2 to the power of 4. All right.
Yes.
Why? Because this would be square root of 3 upon 2A into A cubed divided by 2 cubed, right? That is why. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So then what do we have now? Square root of 3. A raised to 4 का square root क्या हो जाएगा? A squared. और 2 raised to 4 का square root क्या हो जाएगा? 4. Because 2 raised to 4 is 16. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
This much is clear. So now perimeter is A plus A plus A. This is the perimeter, right? This is 180.
Yes, ma'am.
That means one side is 60, isn't it?
Yes.
So A is 60. We'll just put the value of A here in the area of the triangle. Okay, this is the area of the triangle. We'll just put A as 60 here. So root 3 into 60 squared upon 4. That is root 3 upon 4 into 60 into 60. Can you solve it now?
Yes.
So when you solve it, you get 900 root 3 centimeter squared. This is going to be your answer. And this correct answer was given to me by Yatharth, by Siddharth, by Varya. Ananya was close to this answer, but I don't know why Ananya forgot root 3. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Ananya forgot root 3. Arpita, your answer was not even close. Same with Sharan.
Yes, ma'am. I'll try next time.
Go for question number 2 now. I think those who did not answer have understood it. Varya, you have solved question number 2, have you?
Ma'am, I have found the area. I'm calculating the rent.
Okay. Let me see. Siddharth has already given me the answer. Let me see if he is correct. Go for the second question, children. Achira, did you understand the first question? I just saw it on the board also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go for the second question then.
Ma'am, what are
And Siddharth's answer is correct. Siddharth, go for the third one. Yes, yes. Who has a question? Anyone has any question? Siddharth, go for the third one, but everyone has to, I need every answer from, I need all of you to give me the second answer. Let me see how many go correct. Siddharth, don't lean down like that. Don't lean down like that when you're writing. Siddharth, sit straight and write. Don't lie down on the table and write. Arpita, check the number of zeros. So Sanika, correct. Ananya, correct. Varya, correct. Siddharth, correct. Move on to the second one. Arpita, correct. Not yet got answers from everyone. Sanika, Arpita, Ananya, Varya, and Siddharth, move on to the next question. Sharan, quickly. Yatharth, I did not get your second answer yet. Naisha,
Ma'am, I'm almost done. I'm just doing the rent one.
okay. Achira, what about you?
Ma'am, I'm sending it.
Okay. Varya, your answer is just wrong in one way, that you have not written the unit to me.
Yes, ma'am.
So in words, this can be considered as a wrong answer. So you have to make sure, okay? Sharan, please check the number of zeros, otherwise your answer is correct. Check the number of zeros and write again. Yatharth, unmute yourself and talk to me, Yatharth.
Yes, ma'am.
तुमने कभी कोई सब्जी खरीदी है यथार्थ? हाँ? Have you ever purchased anything? चॉकलेट खरीदी है कभी?
Yes, ma'am.
कितने की आती है? 20 रुपीस की आती है, 20 मीटर स्क्वायर की आती है?
20.
रुपीस की आती है, तो फिर यहाँ पर तुमने पेंटर को मीटर स्क्वायर कैसे भेजा? Company had to pay in rupees or in meter square? Your answer will be considered wrong if you don't write the correct units. Sharan, your answer is correct. Naisha, your answer is correct, but without the units. So this may be considered as a wrong answer. Okay? When you're making a payment, it has to be in rupees, as long as you're Indian. Go for the next question, everyone. Achira, I'm still waiting for your answer.
Ma'am, I've sent it.
You did? Where did I miss it? Yes, yes, correct. But again, without the rupees. Okay, Ananya has solved the third question. Let me check the question. Ananya, your answer is absolutely correct. Move on to the next question. Hurry up, children. Suddenly now Ananya is leading the race. Siddharth, your answer is correct. Move on to the next question. Sanika, correct. Move on to the next one.
Actually, I had done the third question, but I hadn't sent it, so I moved on to the fourth question. I forgot to send. the
Oh,
third.
okay, okay. That's why. Make sure that you send it. So is correct, Siddharth. Move on to the next question. Siddharth is on the fifth question. I did not get the third answer from Arpita yet. Wait, Naisha, third answer. Your third answer is not correct. Arpita, your third answer is not correct. Naisha and Arpita, redo your answers. Yatharth, your answer is correct.
Ma'am, is it whole incorrect or like some like
Yeah, it cannot be root 5.
okay, ma'am.
20 is correct. So check your calculation. Correct, Ananya. Your fourth answer is correct. Achira, if it is area, then it has to be meter square. That's the only mistake.
Okay, ma'am.
But is it 2 root 20 or is it 20 root 2?
Ma'am, 20 root 2.
Yeah, correct. Naisha, correct. Go for the fourth one. Arpita, correct. Move on to the fourth one. Sanika, the fourth answer is correct. Sharan, I'm waiting for your answer. Yatharth, Varya, Ajira. Varya, very wrong. Not close at all.
Ma'am, I have sent you the fourth answer.
Yes, I'm also talking about the fourth answer. Not correct at all. Sharan, answers without the units will be considered wrong. Varia and Yatharth, your answers are correct. Naisha, your answer to the fourth question is not correct at all.
Okay, ma'am.
Siddharth and Ananya, your answers are correct.
Okay.
Wait, Naisha, just give me a second, please. Let me check if your answer is correct. Just give me a second. Naisha, your answer is correct, okay? You have not just simplified it.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, but how do I simplify it more?
So you got root
Okay,
20.
ma'am.
You just need to simplify it. Okay. Didn't you get something like this, Naisha?
Yes.
So this root 21 into 21 becomes 21 itself, right? So the answer would just be 21 root 11. Okay.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Otherwise, it is correct. Achira,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
correct answer, Achira. So Siddharth and Ananya are on the completion of the chapter. They are doing the last question now. Of the exercise, sorry, not the chapter. Sanika's answer is correct. Correct, Sharon. Go for the fourth question. Sorry, go for the fifth one. Correct, Varia. Siddharth, sixth answer is correct. Varia, sixth answer is correct. So Siddharth and Varia have completed this exercise. Ananya's answer is also correct. Now, just stop your work, children. These remaining questions, whatever 2-3 questions you have, will be for your homework. Okay. Now look at the board. We'll be doing application of Heron's formula in finding area of quadrilaterals now. Yatharth, your answer is correct. The fourth one. Sorry. Yeah, the fifth one. Your answer is correct. Now see. How do you use Heron's formula in finding area of a quadrilateral? So you will have to divide it into parts. You'll have to form triangles and find area of individual triangles to find the area of a quadrilateral. Okay. For example, if your quadrilateral looks like this, you can form 2 triangles there. Triangle 1, triangle 2. Find the area of individual triangles using Heron's formula. Add them up. You'll find the area of quadrilateral. Got it? So this way you will be doing it. Now, one thing can be there that, no, they'll be giving you easy questions only on this. So just let's look at one of these examples. Example number 4. Just let's look at it, okay? Let's look at the example number 4 in the book itself. I want someone to read it out. Siddharth, read it out. Read example number 4.
Yes, ma'am. Kamla has a triangular field with sides to 40 meters, 200 meters, 360 meters, where she grew wheat. In another triangular field with sides to 40 meters, 320 meters, 400 meters, adjacent to the previous field, wanted to grow potatoes and onions. She divided the field in 2 parts by joining the midpoint of the longest side to the opposite vertex and grew potatoes in one part and onions in the other part. How much area in hectares has been used for wheat, potatoes, and onions?
And 1 hectare has been told to be 10,000 square meters. Okay. Now see, this is going to be so easy for you. How? First thing, we are, let's assume that, okay, now we are growing wheat in one part and we have to grow potatoes and onions as well, right? Now they're saying Kamla has a triangular field with sides 240 meters, 200 meters and 360 meters. So Kamla के पास में एक triangular field है, ऐसे. Let's assume. ओके इसमें एक साइड उसके पास में 360 मीटर्स है, दूसरा साइड उसके पास में 200 मीटर्स है और तीसरा साइड उसके पास में 240 meters है. ओके, this is the triangle which Kamla has. I'll call it ABC. Now she's saying that, now the question is saying where she grew wheat. Now she's growing wheat over here. In another triangular field with sides 240 meters, 320 meters, and 400 meters adjacent to the previous field. Now adjacent के लिए ये वाला 240 meters दोनों में common है ना, इसीलिए हमको 240 meters को common रखते हुए adjacent field बनानी है. Okay, so एक और field हमने बनाया जिसमें एक side है 400 meters और एक side है 320 meters. Okay. Now in this field, she is going to grow potatoes and onions. So let's see, we divide it into 2 parts. Call it E. एक side में वो potatoes grow करेगी, एक side में वो onions grow करेगी. Getting it? Now they want the area of the complete thing. So you have basically got two triangles here. One triangle is this one and the other triangle is this one. And you already know the dimensions. You know that ABC, triangle ABC, you have A to be 200, B to be 360, and C to be 240. In triangle ACD, your A will be 400, B will be 320, and C is the common side, 240 ही लेंगे उसको, ठीक है? तो दोनों ट्रायंगल्स का अलग अलग एरिया निकालोगे, उनको ऐड कर दोगे तो पूरा फील्ड का एरिया निकल जाएगा. You know how to find individual area of triangles, right? And you add them up for the entire field. Is it easy? Does it look easy? Now spend 2 minutes to read what they have done in the question, so you can further understand the question. I've already told you what they might have done. You read, you see if they have done the same thing. If you understand example 4, children, just give me a thumbs up. So Siddharth, I expect you to solve a few questions from this exercise before we start, from the next exercise before we start our class tomorrow. Siddhartha has already understood. How many of you will be able to solve at least 3 questions before we start our class tomorrow? At least 3 questions and furthermore. From the next exercise, Siddharth is ready. Yatharth is ready. Sanika is ready. Varya is ready. Ananya is ready. Achira is ready. Naisha is ready. Arpita, Sharan, आप लोग नहीं solve करोगे. Arpita will solve. Sharan will also solve. कोई कुछ रास्ता ही नहीं बचाना Sharan. There is no option left. Everyone will solve, so you have to solve. All right. So I expect you to start solving. Okay. Ask me your doubts tomorrow, and we'll try to complete the chapter by tomorrow during the class only. All right. So next week you can start with a new chapter. And also, do you children have your test papers with you? You must have received the PDF of the test papers that you got, right? Can you all put them on the group? Please put the PDF on the group. Today itself, I want to see what kind of questions were asked. Okay? So please put up your question papers on the group. And since Siddharth and Varya, you both have solved the exercise completely, and all those who will solve this exercise today, please upload it on the portal. Okay? I'll see you all tomorrow, children. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Arpit,
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
wait. Do you want sir to take the lesson tomorrow?
No, ma'am, I'm asking.
Why do you ask?
Mom, just like this only.
No, sir will not be taking tomorrow. I will be taking tomorrow. I'm taking over the 9th standard also now.
Okay, sir. Okay, ma'am.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.